So today I will teach you 3 features on your Google. This is Google, okay? So I have a shortcut or a widget to use this bar to search anything I want. There's 3 features you need to know on your Samsung Galaxy phone or on your Google. Please subscribe my channel and let's get started. Anytime when you have a question, you just need to type in here and the AI will do everything for you. Let's just say you want to do like investment, okay? Because let's just say I have an investment, right? So let's just say I have $60,000 with 20% profit, okay? So you can tell them that. And then they will actually tell you what is your total amount by using AI overall. And they will tell you everything and they will explain to you. So AI overall, when you press this, they will tell you what is the detail. How do they calculate that? All right, you can see that. And now you can even ask them, how much tax I have to pay and things like that. All right, so they can show you everything by detail. So you can just say $60,000 with 20% profit. What if $20,000? How much I will make? So that way, they will tell you what is your $20,000 will make, the percentage of 23%. You can see that. So let's just say the second features on the Google is if you want to search any image, okay? Let's just say any image. You can actually use this as in the stickers, okay? So we go from the side, there should be a bar right there. Okay, like there, should be like that. And then you can see the AI select. Now we press the AI select, you just tap wherever you want to do the screenshot, okay? Or sometimes it doesn't do anything, you just drag. And now if you want this as in your, let's just say this is my favorite players or these are my favorite players, all I have to do is I hold it. And then they will ask me if you want to save as in stickers. So I say yes, I want to save in stickers. And then they will ask you what color do you want for the stickers, and then say this is okay, I don't want this, I don't want that, I want the original. And now you press done, and now this become your stickers. You can create any stickers you want, and this will appear on your Samsung Galaxy keyboard. Okay, so this is how it works by using Google and search anything you want, and then you can make it into stickers. The final feature is called Emoji Kitchen. So this one basically makes 2 emoji into 1. So you can see it start cooking. Okay, let's say get cooking. And now you basically mix 2 emoji equals to whatever. So here's all the emojis. You just press that to whatever, it will become like that. You can see that, right? Pretty cool, huh? And then remember what my first feature is, or the second features, you can actually create that as in the stickers. And let's just say you want this, and then now you can just hold it. Okay, just hold this. And now it becomes a stickers. Okay, and then they ask you, do you want this as in stickers? Sure. And now it becomes a sticker. So the second way of doing this is your stickers, right? All you have to do is you hold this. You can see it's already out. Okay, you can see that behind my thumb. Now you use another finger. Go to whatever you want. Let's just say you want to go to your friends. Drop it, and it will become like that. And then press send. And now it become pictures, whatever you want. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I hope this helps you. These are the 3 features on your Google, and make sure you like them, and see you next time. Bye bye, peace out.